In PowerPoint, click Add-ins at the top. Right-click on the duplicate button. Click Delete Custom Toolbar. Click Yes to confirm. Repeat this for every Flexi-Templates toolbar you see. Click File at the top. Select Options in the bottom left corner. Click Add-ins on the left-hand side menu. Click the drop-down box at the bottom of the page. Select PowerPoint Add-ins, then click Go. Here click on any add-in that has the name Flexi-Templates in it and click Remove. Repeat this for each one you have installed. Click Add New on the right-hand side. Browse to find the Flexi-Templates add-in you downloaded. It should say Mega Pack Edition in the name. Once you've found it, select it and click OK. Click Enable Macros on this screen. Close the form by selecting the X. If you click Draw Templates, you should now see all the Megapack templates.